Buongiorno. Bonjour. Comment ça va? Il fait froid aujourd'hui. That's all I got.
Mais le soleil, il brille.
So good morning. It is a bright and sunny Saturday morning, and you can't see her. Say hello, Sylvie.
Hello, Sylvie.
I have my wife with me, and we are going out exploring. And where are we going today? Well, I think we're going to go down to Estaire, and then we're going to take what's called Trout Lake Road, which turns into Shaw Road, which will take us across to West Arm. And we'll see what we can see. As always, once I get down to Estaire, I'll start a eBirds checklist and log any birds that we see on our journey. So come along for the ride. So we've been a lot of fresh tracks right here on the road where we are. We had stopped just to take some pictures 100 meters back, and we heard some loud crashing in the bush. So we've been scanning the road, and but we haven't seen it. Must be bedded down right now, and but there's clearly a moose. There's fresh tracks right here on the road. Multiple tracks from today or last night. And we were hoping to see something, but nothing yet. But the nature pictures are just beautiful with the ice on the trees. It's just gorgeous out today. Just gorgeous. I can't believe the lack of birds today. Sylvie and I have been traveling on this road for about 25 kilometers. We've done a lot of photography, just nature photography, scenic photography, but bird-wise, to physically saw one chickadee. No, sorry, I heard two chickadees and I saw one raven. That's all. We've heard a few other birds, but we don't know what they were. But beyond that, we have not seen anything. It's a beautiful day. It's probably only about minus 15 right now, and barely seeing nothing. But the scenery has been beautiful with the trees and the ice on them from the ice storm the other night.
I saw a squirrel.
Oh, sorry, and we did get a picture of a couple of squirrels. Or a squirrel. So, but the scenery's been beautiful. This is a nice road, and a road I'm going to do in the summertime too. we have just traveled 42.3 kilometers, crossing from Estaire out to the west arm. We're at Highway 535. I cannot believe the lack of birds we've seen. Even having Sylvie with me and barely nothing. Like when I mean we saw nothing, like we saw Jack, like I mean Jack squat. I haven't taken one image of a bird. Ton of nature pictures, scenery pictures, landscape pictures, but bird-wise, nothing. I can't believe that. I don't know if all this ice has frozen them into all the trees, but I can't believe that we just traveled that. Nothing on the road, nothing crossing our path. Hearing some off in the distance, but that is it. So we're going to travel now. We're going to take 535 down into Noëllville and then cut across to Manettville, Labing, and come back up to Berner, and maybe I'll be able to show Sylvie the snow wall. So we're going to keep on moving along. So we actually took a little sidetrack. We decided to stop and grab something for lunch. So we stopped at the Noëllville restaurant here, and both of us had soup. I had chicken noodles, Sylvie had tomato rice, but we both had grilled cheese, except I had bacon on mine also. So our tummies are full, so now we'll leave Noëllville, take Highway 64 and go through Manettville, Labing, and to Berner, and then back on the 17 and head her home back to Sudbury. And our intentions are hopefully to see the snowy owl. So we're on our last leg of our journey, and bird-wise it's been pretty crappy until now. Once again, we have ran into the snowy owl. Somebody's taken some images of him or her. I've been told it's the him, and the female's larger than this one. And we're getting some, Sylvie's getting some good images hopefully. And I don't know if you can tell, but he's right up there in that tree. So it is pretty cool to watch him. And it's Sylvie's first time, my second time seeing him.
There's a snowy owl.
So we're just leaving, and except for the beautiful snowy owl, that was our excitement for birds today. Except for a couple of ravens, seeing them and hearing a couple of chickadees. That was it. I can't believe that today. But we got a lot of scenic pictures, and that was worthwhile. And having my wife with me was, for the first time, was fun, and she had a good time. But she says she needs a nap now, so we're heading home. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.